2024 should be called the year of clippers. In 2024, there was a trend where people started using clipping plugins more often in different ways, more creative ways than in previous years. Today we're gonna do the battle of the clippers based on my most used clipping plugins. This is going to be subjective and the brackets are random. So it's going to be a fun video. Let's see what clipping plugin comes on top. In the first battle we have a pretty hard pick, K-Clip 3 versus Standard Clip. Standard Clip is really good and it was my most used clipper before 2024. K-Clip has multi-band, but Standard Clip was my first true dedicated clipping plugin, so I will go with Standard Clip. The next battle is between BX Clipper and the module from Neutron 5. BX Clipper is a clipper released in 2024 if I recall correctly. It has some pretty nice features, but I don't think it can win the battle with the clipper from Neutron 5. Neutron 5 clipper has mid-side, transient sustain, which is amazing, and we have the soft clip boost. So my pick here is going to be the clipper from Neutron 5. The next battle is going to be a Schwab digital battle. We have Orange Clip versus Gold Clip. Orange Clip was a really big surprise for me because I wasn't that familiar with the clipper in FL Studio. This is that on steroids, but Gold Clip is probably my most used clipper when it comes to bus processing. My pick here is Gold Clip. The last battle from round 1 is between Saturate from Newfangled Audio and the Limiter 6 from Tokyo Dawn Labs. A hard one because Saturate has so many features and you can achieve so many different results with it, but Limiter number 6 has a special place in my heart. The clipper from Limiter number 6, even though it's just a module inside a limiter, it has a couple of different modes. This one is a tough one. I think I will go with Limiter number 6 because I've used it a bit more in 2024. So Limiter number 6 moves to the next round. We have the semi-finalists. Let's see what plugins will move to the final. First semi-final, Standard Clip versus Neutron 5 clipper. Like I've said, Standard Clip has a special place in my heart. My pick here is going to be Neutron 5. I'm not that used to it and I am more used to how Standard Clip operates, but I think Neutron 5 has the potential to become my most used clipper when I need flexibility, when I need things done fast. Even though it hurts to make this pick, I will go with Neutron 5. In the second semifinal we have Limiter number 6 versus Gold Clip. This one is an easy pick for me, Gold Clip, because it's such a staple when it comes to clipping. Gold Clip goes into the final. In the final battle we have Neutron 5 versus Gold Clip. The final pick is a difficult one. Gold Clip is amazing when it comes to mastering and it's my go-to clipper there for buses, but Neutron 5 is not that far behind when it comes to bus processing. I use Neutron 5 on drums, I use it on individual elements more often than the Gold Clip. Now Gold Clip has the Gold Clip track. Based on what I've used the most in 2024, I have to go with Gold Clip. So Gold Clip is the winner. Do you agree with my picks? Gold Clip came on top. I think I'm pretty happy with the results of this battle because Gold Clip slowly but surely became the standard when it comes to clippers. I'm not saying that the other clippers are bad. You can do your job mixing and mastering with any of the clippers in the video, but Gold Clip came with something different. It has a different approach and that's why it was my most used clipper in 2024. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to subscribe. If you want more in-depth videos and behind the scenes, join me on Patreon. Thanks for the support and see you guys really, really soon.